Welcome, founders, CFOs, and small business owners. This video is for you if you're tired of the endless spreadsheet struggle. We're about to show you how to transform your financial forecasting and decision-making with RyzUp Sheets. We're in the AI era. Everything's moving faster, smarter, more automated. But you're still stuck in Google Sheets? Still spending hours building forecasts, tweaking formulas, fixing broken cells, and praying it all holds together? Still afraid one tiny change could break your entire model? Come on, you know it's time for something better? Meet RyzUp Sheets, your AI-powered coworker living right inside your spreadsheet. It looks like the sheets you already know, but under the hood, it's built to think. RyzUp Sheets auto-generates your P&L and cash flow forecasts in minutes and answers your what-if questions in plain English. It spots errors before your boss does and builds summaries, models, and insights instantly. Every founder, CFO, and small business owner knows this pain, trying to plan the next 12 months while stuck in spreadsheet chaos. Version after version, hours of manual work, and scenario planning? Forget it, unless you've got a full finance team. That's why we built this. Quietly, over the last few months, our team has been solving your biggest financial headaches. We love spreadsheets too. That's why we didn't try to kill them. We gave them a brain, smarter forecasts, better decisions, less chaos. Ready to experience the revolution? Try it now at RyzUp.ai.